one. Here 4 to put the ball inside. Let's play there. Hey, step by step. Hey, let's go.
They are going to look for threes. Don't foul the shooter after the switch.
The defender of the bounder is here. And these two players, place to place, try to steal. Understand?
One foul to give. 2-on-1 and Alea. Okay? Venga, vamos, let's go.
One fucking rebound. 3 points. Another. What we are doing?
One step in the pick and roll with Satoransky. Okay? And Brizuela is drop. One drop defender. Okay?
We need to start to stop the actions and to take the rebounds. Let's gonna play good defense.
All about is defense now. It's about defense. Come on.